So this is another trade of the day, which is in the evening hours, which is the US opening time, and we have entered watching some manual indicators in the trader rate, and these are special bars which we have for range bound and trending markets, and we went long at this 19,631 and have set a stop loss right below this ranging market. We can, now that it's gone up a bit, we can increase our stop loss to the trail position where we have almost it is half of the complete stop loss. And once it goes, in fact now we can shift to just near the cost price of entry because it's already making $40 as profit. And if it touches the target, which is set at 19,662, that is about 30, that means $60 will come if it touches. So the trend is still going on, and no need to worry, because as you see, these green dots are showing the trend is still upside, and it is picking up. It's touched now $25, and you see that the position we are making total profit for the day $84, and I think it's going to touch, and then we'll be out of the trade. Complete profit now it's for $51, $53, $54, and there it goes. It's almost, now we can, if you want, trail this to below the market. We have locked in our profits from 19,631 to 19,645. $30 we've locked in, and we will never be lost now. So this is how the trade is done, and we get about 3 to 4 trades to 5 trades in a day, so we can easily make like $100 plus or $200 even if we get a larger move. It all depends on how you want to keep your target, risk reward ratio. So in case you're interested to connect with us to get these indicators and this complete strategy, we have another volume analysis also it does. That is a separate indicator which we add to this for more confirmation. So yes, it's complete now.